हाय गाइस, कैसे हो? तो आज मैं दिखाऊंगा ये हमारे बच्चे लोग आए हैं। तो उन लोग को आज रस्सी कूदना सिखाना है। तो ये लोग बोल रहे थे कि नीलेश भाई हमको रस्सी कूदना सिखाओ। तो उन लोग को मैं बहुत अच्छे से सिखाऊंगा। तो बेटा, आपका नाम क्या है?
कृपल।
कृपल नाम है, बहुत प्यारा बच्चा है। और आपका?
रुद्र।
रुद्र पटेल। आपका?
प्रशिल।
प्रशील।
दीक्षांत।
दीक्षांत।
क्रिस।
क्रिस। ये सब बच्चे नेक्स्ट पिछली बार आए थे मेरे पास। तो उन लोग को मैंने सिखाया था, लेकिन उन लोग का पढ़ाई की वजह से, टाइम नहीं मिल पाने की वजह से ये लोग नहीं आ पा रहे हैं। तो आज छुट्टी का दिन भी है। तो आज थोड़ा उन लोग को मैं रस्सी कूदना सिखाऊंगा और आगे भी बहुत सारी अच्छी एक्सरसाइज सिखाऊंगा। तो ये काफ़ी उत्सुक है फिटनेस लाइन में। तो उन लोग को बहुत इंटरेस्ट है ये बच्चे लोगों को। तो उन लोग को मैं सिखाऊंगा बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज। तो पहले थोड़ा स्ट्रेट बैठिए, सीधा। ओके, वेरी गुड। ऐसे सीधा ही बैठना है। हाँ, तो क्या है ना कि याद शक्ति, माइंड स्ट्रांग बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। तो आइए, आप लोग को ये देखना है कि बच्चे लोग को कैसे मैं रस्सी कूदना सिखाऊंगा। और वैसे भी नहीं कूदना आता है तो क्या है, धीरे धीरे तो सीख ही जाएंगे। मैं सिखाऊंगा कैसे कूदना है, क्या है। उससे बहुत फ़ायदा है, पूरा बॉडी का ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बहुत अच्छा होता है, हड्डियां मजबूत होती है। और बच्चे लोग की थोड़ी हाइट भी बढ़ती है, हाइट में भी उन लोग का ग्रोथ होता है। तो आज के लिए मैं बस इतना ही वीडियो दिखा रहा हूँ, आज के लिए रस्सी कूदने वाला। तो बच्चे लोग बोलिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।
जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Walk until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. For me, I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a stack and tell the world that you're stuck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just get your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. The wind is blowing through her hair. We like to head out on the road, and you know we don't really care, 'cause we're just doing what we want. She likes it when I treat her good. She likes it when I treat her bad. She likes to travel all around. I take her everywhere and back. Yeah, oh, you fucking with the man, girl. You throw it right back, no I like that. I'ma bite back, you know I've become a fan, girl. The way you throw back like a Kodak, girl, you own that. Cruise around without a plan, girl. We'll never go back, girl, you know that. You were so bad, let's just spend a couple grand, girl. You know you're fucking with the man, girl. Yeah. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose the real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose the real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Cruising PCH with the top down, drop down, headed nowhere fast, never stop now, not now. We ain't slowing down, never knowing that. We're just headed south, what it's all about, never had a doubt, yeah. She be sitting shotgun, she a hot one, in the hot sun, crop top on, I'ma hop on, every single day, head a different way, never stay in place, don't care what they say, we gon' do it anyway. Always by my side, oh, we're living life right, every night we just drive by, cruising high life, we're alive, not just getting by, not just letting life pass right underneath the side, grab it real tight. Okay, every day is a new day in a new place, rent a new space, see a new face in a few days, move a new way to a new state. That's great, rent an estate for our next day. Oh, you could have been a good girl, but instead you chose the real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could have been a good girl, but instead you chose the real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Growing up, parents got me a guitar. Said you could do anything, kid, you could go far. You could be the president, fireman, race cars. The sky's the limit, kid, so shoot for the stars. So I strummed that guitar every day. Found a passion for music, never went away. I joined a couple bands and played a few shows. Tried to impress the girl in the front row, but soon enough, everything starts to change. As you grow up, nobody treats you the same. They try to take your future and make it real safe. You could be a doctor, accountant, or something sane. But yo, whatever happened to the sky was the limit. I fell in love with music, never thought it was a gimmick. I worked so hard on every tune and every single lyric. My whole identity depended on being artistic. Now you wanna strip that away so you feel okay? Cause if I make it to the top, what does that really say? That you shouldn't have given up, that you made the mistake? But if I fail, you feel much better about picking your lane, right? Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down until the line sinks underneath the deep ground. I won't give give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. And let's be honest, life's a competition. So if I'm going to play, then I'm gonna play to win it. I refuse to sit and rot at a desk all day unless I have a passion I'm working towards, okay? I'd rather be dead on the outside than inside. A bullet to the head than 25 to life in a cubicle alone, just trying to get by, building someone else's dream instead of building mine. If you're hearing me, this is meant to inspire. If you have a dream or if you have desires, a girl in your life that's making you feel that fire, go fight for her man, go die for her man. Cause you only have one life, one chance to do it, one chance to prove it to yourself, so don't lose it. You got this fam, just keep pushing on through it. One day you'll look back so glad you pursued it. Yeah, things are gonna get better real soon. Yeah, I'ma just do me, you just do you. I swear it's gonna get better real soon. Don't let anyone tell you what you should do. I got a clear view, we're gonna make it soon. Just keep pushing through. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. You're what you got to lose. Just keep pushing through. Cause what you got to lose, 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 got to lose. I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. I won't give up, I won't back down. Till the line 6 feet underneath the deep ground. I won't give up, I won't back down. There's nobody stopping me except for me now. You won't stop me now, because I got you now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is growing faster than I can count. You ain't gon' stop me now, because I got this now. I got the formula and I'm about to drop it loud. So what we talking about? There is no talking now. We take action with passion, we're rocking now. It's tick-tocking now, the clock's talking down. And all I hear is haters try so hard to talk me down, but they can't stop the sound, already on the ground. Everything is